It's finally my turn for the Style Maker Fabrics Fall Style Tour. I have been dying to show you what I made. If you've been watching for a while, you will know just what a big deal at least one of these makes is. But before I get into what I made, let's review the rest of the makes on the tour so far. I'm actually the penultimate vlogger. There's one more after me. Joanna Essentials is going to bring it all home for us tomorrow, but there have been so many incredible makes by some of my favorite bloggers. It's been so fun to see how each person has interpreted the fabrics to fit their own style. You may remember some of my style tour makes from seasons past, like my overalls from this past spring and my print mixing dress from last fall. This year, as with most everything else in the world, things have changed regarding my everyday style. Everything is a little bit more casual and comfort is key. And fall is one of those seasons where you can really just go all in on comfort. So I decided to make a layered look inspired by some classic fall styling. First up, let's talk about my pull-on pants, which is really just a nice way of saying jeggings. The pattern is the Itch to Stitch Mountain View pull-on pants. They have a wide waistband, faux fly, working front and back pockets, top stitching detail, and back leg seams. The fabric that inspired me to make these pants is this denim look printed Ponte knit. That's right, this fabric is actually a Ponte knit and not a denim at all. It makes these pants so comfortable to wear. The Ponte features a super smooth hand, it's medium weight and the perfect thickness for pants. The 40% stretch allows you to pull them on, stretching out that waistband up over your hips, but still maintain a close-fitting waist. The recovery is exceptional, and working with the fabric was no problem at all. This turtleneck is the True Bias Nico top. This tried and true pattern is beloved by home sewists, and for good reason. The fit is literally perfect right out of the envelope. I lengthened the bodice by 2 inches to get this long, almost tunic length top. I wanted it longer so I could pull it down over my leggings if I want, and I also think the length looks better with the layered look of the vest. As for the fabric, there is literally nothing more luxurious than this plush rib sweater knit. It's made from a polyester, rayon, and spandex blend, making it the perfect combination of structure, softness, and stretch with incredible recovery. StyleMaker Fabrics sells this knit in 10 different colors, and I want one of each of them. But the one I'm wearing is called Cinnamon. The vest pattern is McCall's 7695, an out-of-print pattern from 2017. It features a center front zipper, patch pockets, and bias trim. The pattern provides instructions for quilting your own fabric for the vest, but thanks to this super cool fabric, I was able to skip that step. The fabric is the diamond quilted double knit in gray. It also comes in a deeper gray color called charcoal. This fabric is fairly lightweight with not a ton of stuffing, which is perfect for fall in the South. But if you live in cooler climates, be sure to check out one of the other 3 quilted fabrics StyleMaker has. The McCall's vest pattern is fully lined, so I used the Bimberg rayon in charcoal. This fabric comes in 12 different colors and is the perfect silky type of lining for all your coats and dresses. I also used a StyleMaker product for the binding. The bias binding is actually a prepared jersey knit bias. I cannot tell you how great it is to use a knit binding with a knit self fabric that I didn't have to make myself. The binding comes in a staggering 22 colors. It's super soft and a great weight for bias. Not too flimsy and not too thick. Finally, we come to my scarf. You might have seen my DIY blanket scarf hack I posted recently. Basically, it allows you to get all the fullness of a blanket scarf, but with half the fabric. Be sure to check out that video if you want to learn how to make a scarf like this yourself. The fabric is a mammoth flannel and a mini check plaid featuring colors like rose, turmeric, and light and dark gray. The turmeric color is a dead-on match for the cinnamon rib knit. In addition to a scarf, the fabric would be perfect for a flannel shirt or a lining for your next winter coat. How cute would that little pop of flannel plaid be in your coat? It is considered a heavyweight, but still has a ton of really great drape and body. As with all cotton flannels, it's super soft and wonderfully cozy and warm. And there you have it. That's everything on the 4 garments that I sewed for the Style Maker Fabrics Fall Style Tour this year. I genuinely love each of the garments I've made, and I can't wait to start mixing and matching them with other garments in my wardrobe. I already know I'm going to be living in these jeans this year, so you'll be sure to see them again. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon. Bye!